Every day is a new adventure. Okay, every day is a new adventure. Enjoy the adventure. Okay, and enjoy the every moment of our life. Okay, now let us see the bird's name. Okay, let us see the bird's name in Hindi. Birds, we are calling birds as pakshi. Okay, the name birds means pakshi. Okay, now the first one is ullu. Ullu means owl. Ullu means owl. Here the second one is kabutar. Kabutar means pigeon. Kabutar means pigeon. Then the third one is kala kauva. Kala kauva means raven. Okay, not the kauva. Kauva means we are calling as crow. Crow means kauva. Here kala kauva. Kala kauva means raven. Then the fourth one is koel, which gives sweet music with its voice. That is koel. Koel is cuckoo. Okay, koel is cuckoo. Then fifth one is gauraya. Gauraya is sparrow. Gauraya is sparrow. Then chamkidad. Chamkidad means bat, which lives in the old temples. We can see the bats in the old temples. Okay, then cheel. Cheel. Cheel means kite. Cheel means kite. Here bahula. Bahula means crane. We can watch the cranes in the zoo, in the fields. Okay, in the fields also we can see the bahula. Bahula means crane. The next one is baj. Baj means eagle. Baj means eagle. Okay, then 10th one is bulbul. 10th one is bulbul. Bulbul means nightingale. Bulbul means nightingale. Then here the 11th one. 11th one is murga. Murga means cock. Okay, here murgi. Murgi means hen. Okay, murga, cock, murgi. We can clearly understand that is male and this is female with their sound R sound and it is E sound. Then more. Okay, more means peacock. More means peacock. Then it is a next one is a lovable bird, that is parrot. Okay, that is parrot means tota. Tota. Tota hara rang ka hota hai. Okay, the color of the parrot is green. Its beak is red in color. It speaks so sweetly and repeats what we are saying. Okay, what we are saying. That is tota. Tota means parrot. Then Hans. Hans means swan. A famous saying about swan is when we mix the water and the milk, it splitters the water and the milk and drinks the milk only. Okay, this is the special features for swan. Then Kunj. Kunj means heron. Kunj means heron. Here Batak. Batak means duck. Batak means duck. We can move like Batak. Okay, many people we can see they are walking like the duck. Okay, Badak. Then 18th Papiha. Papiha means Maina. Papiha means Maina. Then Teeter. Teeter means partridge. Teeter means partridge. Then Bader. Bader means quail. See, once again I will explain. Here Ullu. Ullu means owl. Kabutar, pigeon. Kala kauva. There is a difference between kauva and kala kauva. Kala kauva means raven. Koel means sweet song. Okay, koel. Then gauraya, sparrow. Jamikidad means bat. Cheel. Cheel means kite. Here bahula. Bahula means crane. Baj. Baj means eagle. Bulbul means nightingale. Then here murga. Murga means cock. Murgi means hen. More. More is peacock. Then tota. Tota means parrot. Here Hans. Hans means swan. Kunj. Kunj means heron. Badak. Badak means duck. Papiha. Maina. Teeter. Partridge. Bater. quail. Okay.